Jai Śrī Kṛṣṇa. In Śrīmad-Bhāgavatam, Canto 1, Chapter 3, Krishna is the source of all incarnation. By answering the question of the sage at Nimisaranya that what is the purpose of creating this material universe, by answering it, Sarila Sutta Goswami said, in the beginning of the creation, the Lord first expanded himself in the universal form of puruṣa incarnation and manifested as all the ingredients for the material creation, and thus at first there was the creation of 16 principles of material action. This was the purpose of creating material universe. Here it is mentioned like that. Sūta uvaca jagre puruṣam rūpam bhagavāna mahadadive sambhutam sodosakalam adayuloka srishrikaya. It means here the purport is in Śrīmad-Bhāgavatam states that the personality of Godhead, Lord Kṛṣṇa, maintained this material universe by extending his planetary expansion. So this puruṣa form is the confirmation of the same principle. The original personality of Godhead Vāsudeva, or the Lord Kṛṣṇa, who is famous as son of King Vasudeva or King Nanda, is full with all opulence, all potencies, all fame, all beauty, all knowledge, and all renunciation. A part of his opulence is manifested as impersonal Brahman, and a part of his opulence is manifested as Paramātmā. This puruṣa feature of all the same personality of Godhead Śrī Kṛṣṇa is the original Paramātmā manifestation of the Lord. There are three puruṣa features in the material creation, and this form, who is known as Kāraṇodakaśāyī Viṣṇu, is the first of the three. The other are known as Garbhodakaśāyī Viṣṇu and Kṣīrodakaśāyī Viṣṇu, which we shall know one after another. The innumerable universe are generated from the skin whole of this Kāraṇodakaśāyī Viṣṇu, and each one of these universe of the Lord enter as Garbhodakaśāyī Viṣṇu. In the Bhagavad-gītā, it is also mentioned that the material world is created at a certain interval and then again destroyed. This creation and destruction is done by the supreme will because of the conditioned soul, or the Nitya Bodha living beings. The Nitya Bodha, or the externally conditioned soul, have the sense individual or ahankara, which dictates to them sense enjoyment, which they are unable to have continuously. The Lord is the only enjoyer and other are enjoyed. The living beings are predominated enjoyers, but the eternal conditioned soul, forgetful of his constitutional position, have strong aspiration to enjoy. The chance of enjoy matter is given to the conditioned soul in the material world, and side by side they are given the chance to understand their real constitutional position. Those fortunate living entities who catch the truth and surrender unto the supreme personality of Godhead, or the lotus feet of Vasudeva, after many births of material world, join the eternal liberated soul, and thus they are allowed to enter into the kingdom of Godhead. After this, such fortunate living being need not come again with the occasional material creation, but those who cannot catch the constitutional truth are again merged into the Mahat Tattva at the time of annihilation of the material creation. When the creation is again set up, the Mahat Tattva is again let loose. This Mahat Tattva contains all ingredients of a material manifestation, including the conditions. Primarily, this Mahatava is divided into 16 parts, namely the 4 gross material elements and 11 working instrument or sense. It is like the cloud in the clear sky. The spiritual sky, the effulgence of the Brahma is spread around all, and the whole system is dazzling in spiritual light. The Mahatava is assembly in some corner of a vast, the ultimate spiritual sky or unlimited spiritual sky, and the part which is thus covered by Mahatava is called the material sky. This part of the spiritual sky is called Mahatava. It is only insignificant portion of the whole spiritual sky, and within the Mahatava there are innumerable universe. All the universe are collectively produced by the Kāraṇodakaśāyī Viṣṇu, also called as Mahavishnu, who simply threw his glance to impregnate the material sky. Jai Jagannath, Jai Śrī Kṛṣṇa.